Immich is a self-hosted photo backup and management platform designed as a privacy-focused alternative to Google Photos. Immich is a self-hosted, open-source alternative to Google Photos that runs completely on your own hardware. It offers a seamless UI with auto-backup shared albums and entirely offline AI for facial recognition and semantic search. By eliminating cloud subscriptions, it provides absolute data ownership and uncompressed storage, making it the ultimate private media backup tool. To purchase Immich, you can choose the server license for a lifetime purchase at $100 per server, which covers the entire setup and grants supporter status. Alternatively, you can opt for the individual lifetime plan priced at $25 per user, perfect for single-user support and exclusive status benefits. Reddit users say the product is impressive post-beta but not fully equal to Google Photos and features. It's valued for being self-hosted with full user control and used as a backup option, while many still use Google Photos. Overall, it's best as a privacy-focused alternative. Overall, it's one of the best Google Photos alternatives for privacy and control. But setup can be technical for beginners. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical reviews.